The Township Road Repair Millage Renewal Proposition, also known as the Pavement Preservation Millage Renewal, is a proposition to renew a .25 mil tax, 25 cents for every $1,000 of taxable value, towards the preservation, maintenance, and resurfacing of roads within the township for a period of 10 years, 2014 to 2023, as stated in the state primary legislation. Estimated revenue the township would collect from this renewal in the first year comes to about $390,000. Raymond Severy, Director of Public Works and Engineering, says Ingham County provides Meridian Township with an annual allotment of $115,000 for road maintenance, which the township itself matches each year, totaling $230,000 for township road maintenance.
And except for those years when in a couple of years the township has kicked in extra money, that's been our budget, which is way too little for what we need to do. All the funds added together, we've got about $640,000 budget to spend on roads, which is probably about half of what we need to maintain our local roads. So it's a lot better than what we had before, but it's still not going to get all of our local roads up to where we'd like to have them. So we have to prioritize those.
Severy said all roads in the township over 10 years old, which comes to nearly all of them, require maintenance of some sort. He said the main goal is to not have to start over and create new roads, but instead preserve the ones we already have.
So what we're trying to do through the pavement preservation program is to keep the streets from getting worse than a 5 or 6, or maybe some streets we do have a 4 rating. Because once they get worse than that, then the cost to fix them is much higher. So we're trying to preserve what we've got and not have to totally rebuild the roads.
He said 2 techniques are used when preserving roads: hot in-place recycling, in which asphalt is stirred up, laid back down, and an inch of new asphalt is placed over top of that, and utilizing a pavement rejuvenator on the roads, which seals up surfaces and keeps water out of the roads.
If it's not passed, our local roads are going to continue to deteriorate faster than they are now. With this passing, we'll have, like I said, about $630,000 to spend on road millage, road preservation, unless the township general fund gets a little healthier and can contribute more money to that. And I said the 600+ thousand that we have is probably about half of what we really should be spending.
This item will be on the August 7th ballot for residents to vote on or against. In Meridian Township, Zachary Pena, Home TV.